Hello and welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate the interactions in the proposed visualization approach. We extend the design of set streams and include interactions between elements along with the changing set memberships. The rows represent exclusive set intersections, while the columns represent time steps. The first data set in our application example is about 23 tech companies who offer products and services across 6 different categories, namely search engine, e-commerce, social network, gaming console, telecommunications, and operating system. We select a company, Microsoft, from the element list. The downward going streams indicate the expanding business portfolio, while these vertical lines show the interactions with other companies. For example, we see the interaction of Microsoft with Nokia. Clicking on this interaction, we see the details on the top right. We can see that in 2014, Nokia sold its mobile and device division to Microsoft. Similarly, we can select other company, eBay, and see its interactions over time with other companies. Back to Microsoft. The skewed rectangles on top of node, for example here, highlight the interactions of companies within this exclusive set intersection. Let's click this. We see that companies Walmart and Flipkart were involved in an interaction where Walmart bought a controlling stake in the Flipkart. There was a second interaction of Flipkart with eBay where it entered into a strategic partnership. To focus on the evolving business of companies making gaming console, we can specify a query in the selection. We see 3 companies who made gaming console in the first time step. This is Sony, Nintendo, and Sega. Unfortunately, Sega stopped making gaming consoles after 2014 and focused on making only games. For example, in the interaction with Microsoft, we see that it produced games for the Xbox, which is a console device made by Microsoft. Let's select the second dataset. It shows 380 researchers as elements publishing in 5 different areas of computer science. To see the early researchers publishing in both AI/ML and graphics, we hover over the corresponding node in the first time step. We see William T. Freeman and select it from the element list. Hovering over his first interaction, we see the names of involved researchers from Graphics Viz HCI community. The researchers were Hans-Peter Pfister and Jessica K. Hodgins. We can select this interaction to see the details of the paper. Here, the paper was Design Galleries, a general approach to setting parameters for computer graphics animation. Hovering over a row also highlights the interactions involved with the respective exclusive intersection. For example, we hover over the row of NLP and AI/ML. We can also specify a query for selection. For example, selecting all the researchers who published in Graphics Viz HCI venues in the first time step. Please feel free to try out the prototype and see the paper for missing details. Thank you.